my dear students, a very good morning to all of you. So, today we are going to continue with the topic of how to close a document or closing a document. But before starting with that topic, let us revise what we have studied till now in this chapter. So, in the chapter number 8, that is Learning MS Word, we have seen how to start Microsoft Word 2010, various steps to start Microsoft Word 2010. Then we have seen about the parts or the components of Microsoft Word window like title bar, file menu button, quick access toolbar, tabs, ribbon, rulers, text area and scroll bars. Finally, we have seen how to type the text into Microsoft Word document. If you want to share your thoughts, your things, if you want to write a message or a letter, then how you can type it in the form of text, that we have already seen. And we have also seen how to create a new document by using a shortcut key, that is Ctrl+N, and by following the steps given below. After creating a document, we have also seen how to save a file with the shortcut key Ctrl+S, all by following the steps given below. Then after saving a file, we have seen how to print a document. If you want your Microsoft Word document on paper in the form of hard copy, then you can take a print out of it using a shortcut key Ctrl+P or by following the steps given below. Now after all these works are finished, we have created a document, we have typed something in that, we have also saved our document. We have also seen how to get a printout of a document. Now, can you keep it open? No. After finishing your work, you have to close it. So, today we will see how to close a document. After we finish our work, we need to close our document. We can do this in two ways. First is click on the close button that is available in the title bar. So here you can see that in red color cross sign will be available. So by clicking on that sign you can close the document. Else you can click on the file menu button and select the close option from there. In both the cases a dialog box will appear on the screen asking us if we want to save the work which we have done. We select save if we want to save it. Don't save if we don't want to save it, and cancel if we don't want to close the file yet. So in any of the way, if you close your document, you will see like this dialog box will open in front of you. It will ask you one question that, do you want to save changes made to your question? For example, if you have write anything but you forgot to save it, then at that time you can save it. If you want to save the changes made by you, then you can click on the save button. If you do not want to save the changes made by you, click on the don't save button. And if you click on the third option, that is a cancel button, then your file will not get closed. Again, you will get or you will be redirected to the same document. Okay, so now here you can see that if you want to close a document using a file menu button, then here you have to click on the file menu button, and finally you will see here a close option is that. So you have to click on that close option and your file or your document will get closed. Okay, so for closing a document you have to follow the steps given below. First is either you can click on the cross sign available in the title bar, else you can go to the file menu button and select the close option, and you will see that like this message box will be displayed in front of you that will say you that if you do not save your document, you can save it now, else you can cancel it and again you can work on your document. So with this we are finishing our class today. In our next class we will see the last topic, that is open an existing document. After you have created a new document, you have typed anything in it, you have saved it, you also took a printout of it. Finally, you close your document. Now again you want to open that same document, then you can open that existing document. You can make some changes to it, you can add anything to it. But how? that we will see in our next class. Okay, so the topic of opening an existing document we will continue next Friday. For now, bye bye. Have a great day, students.